Hello and welcome everybody. Now we are going to draw a line segment AB equals to 6.2 centimeter. Then we will draw a perpendicular on AB from a point M which is lying on AB with the help of ruler and compass. So let's start our construction. It is given that line segment we have to draw. Line segment AB 6.2 centimeter, we have to draw it first. So for drawing this, for constructing this line segment AB, we will apply the strategy of copying a line segment. For copying of a line segment, we will draw a line of the given measurement. We will draw a line segment of the given measurement which is 6.2 centimeter here. So suppose this is 6.2 centimeter and we label it with 6.2 centimeter. Okay. Now we will copy this measurement of 6.2 centimeter over here. So let us draw a line segment which is bigger than 6.2 centimeter. So easily we can see that this line segment and this line segment, obviously this is bigger. Now we will take the radius of 6.2 centimeter in our compass. So for taking the radius, for taking the measurement, we will put the needle here and extend the pencil arm of the compass at the other end point of 6.2 centimeter and give a small arc. Okay. Now once you have taken this measurement, please do not disturb this gap. Using this gap, let us put the needle over here and cut the line segment just drawn. Okay. So now students, can you tell me that what will be the length of this line segment? Yes, easily you are understanding that this is 6.2 centimeter, then this will be also 6.2 centimeter. So this is our line segment 6.2 centimeter, and let us label this line segment. This is A and this point is B, because it is given that draw a line segment AB equal to 6.2. So this is our AB and its length is 6.2 centimeter. Next thing, what you have to do, we will draw a perpendicular to this AB at a point M on AB. So let us take a point M on AB. So suppose we have taken a point M over here. Okay, so this is our M point. Now at M point we will draw a perpendicular, and perpendicular means it is 90 degree. So at M we will draw a 90 degree angle. At this point M we will draw a 90 degree angle. So what we will do? So first of all, let us take a measurement like this. Any considerable measurement, not so large, not so small also. Let us take a considerable and comfortable measurement like this. Okay, and once you have taken this measurement, please do not disturb this measurement in the compass while we are drawing this construction. Okay, so now what you will do, let us put the needle over here at this point, and then we will draw an arc like this. This arc is looking little bigger. Okay, make sure this arc is intersecting at one point on this line, on this line segment. Okay, so again I am showing, put the needle at this point and using a considerable radius, let us draw an arc, little bigger arc like this, and it should cut a line at one point. Okay, now with the same gap, with the same measurement, we will put the needle at this point. So can you see? We will put the needle at this point. So this is our second arc. So put the needle here and draw the arc like this. Now put the needle at this point and draw this arc like this. So this is the third arc, and putting the needle at this point only, draw the fourth arc over here. I am showing once again. So we have started it from here. So we have drawn this arc like this. This is the first. Then put the needle over here. Then this is second. Then put the needle over here. Then draw this arc, third, and then fourth. And finally, the fifth arc will be drawn by putting the needle at this point. I am showing you. Put the needle at this point and cut the previous arc to get the point of intersection. So now students, if you join this point and this point, this is our M point actually. So if we join this M and this point, then we will get a 90-degree angle. Then we will get a 90-degree angle, and here as we have already drawn, so this is the 90-degree and this is the perpendicular also. The name of this point is M, and this is 90-degree perpendicular, and let us the name of this point N. Okay. So students, if you can measure this also, if you can measure this angle, then you will see that it is also 90-degree. Means this line segment MN is perpendicular on the given line segment AB. Okay. All right. Thank you. Okay. After drawing this perpendicular, one last thing is left, and that is we have to write down the statement based on what we have done in this construction. So here we have done, therefore MN is the required perpendicular on AB at M on it. Okay. So now our construction is absolutely complete. Thank you.